right, so good morning, everybody. As you can see, I'm in GLE. I had 84.44. I've been watching this thing just barely make any movement. Currently came up above my little trend line here. We'll see what happens. Huh. Sweet call on VLO for watchlist. Made some profits on that. Awesome. Awesome, man. That's fucking great. Let's go. All right, we got STAI starting to make a little bit of a move. Not much, but that's awesome. All right, so we're watching GLE. I've got 1,500 shares of this thing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm really hoping that that thing wants to wake up. STAI is currently waking up, and I'm in that one as well. Here's STAI currently waking up. Let's go. Let's see what this little girl wants to do. But she thinks she's on a rodeo because she's like a bucking bronco here. Let's go, baby. Come on. Go Bulls, go Bulls, go Bulls. Go Bulls, go Bulls, go Bulls. You need to readjust your screen. Why? What do I need to readjust my screen for? What are you talking about? Come on. Oh, come on. STAI. Let's go, baby. Get up there. What's wrong with my screen? STAI is on the screen. I don't understand. All right, I gotta switch that as well here. Shiitake mushrooms. There we go. Move that over here. Minimize that. And I have to. Man, there's so much to do when you do live streaming. Frickin' A. All right, I gotta get up there. And I need to open up the YouTubes and the TikToks. TikTok. There's the TikTok. Sorry, guys. I guess I should have done this first. No, the camera moves by itself. So STAI was a good little push there. Did a triple top. Needs to keep on going though. This thing is. Hey, there we go. And we are getting comments now. So on TikTok. So that's great. Now let's take a look at the YouTubes. The YouTubes. And there we go again. Now I am getting comments there. Thank you, Tan Master. Thank you, Night Owl Misfit. Let's go. Let's make some money. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to make that money. All right, so now we got comments on YouTube and we have comments on TikTok. Somewhere in here. Where the heck are my comments on TikTok? Okay, it has to be that big for me to get comments. Okay, cool. Well, we'll just keep on working at this and it's going to get better. I promise you guys, it will get better. All right. So I missed my opportunity to take a little bit of profit here on STAI. And let's see, GLE is slowly coming back up for me. I'm currently down 20 bucks on that. Basically down 1 penny because I have 1,500 shares, so just a little over a penny. So let's see, let's go to both the screens so you guys can see what I'm saying, and we'll go from there. Are you waiting for a swing? No, I'm not waiting for a swing. I'm waiting for the stocks to wakey, eggs and bakey, rise and shiny. Pudding pie. There's that one. So this one was a good little runner in the morning here. Unfortunately I had stood up and went to make myself a coffee when it ran $1. So I was a little pissed that I missed that because that's at about $1. It's about 200 bucks profit. And I came back and did some other shit, and this thing came down. And I was like, oh, damn it. That's what you get. Stay at your damn computer, Jarek. Come on, man. But anyway, so we're watching this thing to break above my 84-cent entry and give me some profit again, because I was fucking around with the live stream. I missed my little profit possibility of STAI, but I'm still waiting for STI to actually move. That wasn't really much of a move. But if I'm sticking to my guns and sticking to my guns, meaning if I'm taking my profits when I should be, and not fucking around and finding out, then I'm in a good place. You guys saw I barely made it out alive yesterday. Um, my heart was acting up, so you guys didn't actually get to see it live. But I sent you. Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. Come on, GLE. But I sent you guys the what was it? My basically all the stocks I was in and what I made or lost on them. I ended up being profitable about $41 yesterday. It was a rough day. Technically, I shouldn't be trading when I don't feel good at all. That would have been smart. Good morning, Abu Adam. Good morning, guys. Come on, GLE. Let's go. Bring me that profit. I do see GLE possibly making it back to $1 again. I don't know if it's going to do much. STAI just took a shit on me here. 63. What the hell happened? Freaking it pump faked. It pump faked. We're looking around still. Um, Not a whole lot going on this morning. AUUD was pretty good earlier, but we're just kind of looking around. Yeah, you tell everybody if you're trading lower time frames, don't get out of your chair. Yeah, well, more so in pre-market. That pre-market volume is just so sporadic. It's either there or it isn't. And in this certain instance on STAI, all right, should I have taken my profit? Probably, because it hasn't been looking very, very strong. GLE, I'm still looking at it. MACD looks good. Volume needs to pick up more, though. This volume is just garbage. And we're almost back to possibly making $1 or so on this thing. Just needs to get back to volume weighted average price. I think I'll drop my I was about to say something, but I think I'll drop my 98-cent sell there to probably volume weighted average price ish, maybe, possibly. I don't know. I'm still trying to wake up. Had a migraine 2 days ago, and it's weird, but it like you're in like this weird area of like I don't know. I want to say melancholy, but I don't know. It's very tiring. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. Bueller? Anybody? Good morning, Mr. Bill on Discord. Debbie AUUD. Yeah, AUUD has been moving nicely today, so that's nice. Here's AUUD. So 420 is going to be the price target of AUUD. Be careful, it's looking like it's trying to do a double top here. So you got one there. It looks like this one's, if it tops out here at 326, it might come back down. You see it's slowly working on actually it's in a channel. I would say it's in a channel right here. This is AUUD. Good little channel. If it breaks down through 280, it's trouble. Right now it's kind of sitting in the middle, so that's nice. You got AUD here on the left. Hey guys, go over to YouTube for me and subscribe there. We are slowly getting to where I want it to go. We're at 702 subscribers. We need more. We need more. The goal is 1,000 by the end of the month. I don't see that happening anymore. I thought that I thought we could do it, but with my health and crap and not doing the live stream yesterday and that garbage, um, yeah, it's a problem. But hey, I'll take care of my uncle first, and then I'll take care of myself second. So uh, maybe, unless I have to do something with my family. I have 2 YouTube accounts and both are subscribed to you. Thanks, Daisy. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, so here you go. You've got your AUD right here pushing through $3, 310. All right, so pay attention that it doesn't get stopped out at this 315. If it can break that 315, then you got yourself a new high coming in on AUD, which I am currently staying out of because I'm watching STAI and I'm watching GLE, looking for other stuff that is possibly moving here. Yep. Yep. Hey, Ricardo, don't call me a sissy. What the hell's wrong with you, man? I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, you're saying GLE is a sissy. I gotcha. I agree. Come on, GLE. Seriously. What the? I hate
That
the
was
Bears.
not nice and
God, I
easy.
hate the Bears. I know. I'm looking. I'm looking. Mm-hmm. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Damn it, GLE, you suck. Mm-hmm. This is like watching paint dry by, evolving every day. I don't think you're evolving if that's how you feel. Yeah, the market's slow. I have no control over the market. I do, however, have control over the screen, and as you can see here, GLE just got up to 8399 and took a shit. All right. So SISI is at 690. Not really doing much there. It's below volume weighted average price right now, just like this crap that I'm in. So let's see what else. Anything moving? A lot of stuff kind of jumping around. This thing is just toast. I'm probably just gonna cut my loss on this thing. Yep, it's just crap. Look at the volume. 1,500 shares there. What the frick am I doing holding on to this stupid thing? It looked so good earlier. It looked so good right here. It looked good. I was like, oh yeah. Ooh, that looks good. Volume's pumping in. All right. And now it's just kind of messing with my emotions. Um, I'm looking. I'm not seeing much. Slow ass stuff. Let's get this off the screen here. Let's put CHTZ. What is that doing? HTZ is looking all right here. 591 above volume weighted average price. Remember, it had a fair value gap at 686. So possible cup and handle pattern here on a 1 minute chart. As long as it stays above that volume weighted average price, I think you'll be okay on that one. What's up, Bill? Good morning, buddy. All right, GLE is kicking my ass. It breaks 80, I'm out. I'm gonna fucking throw this thing against the wall and hope it fucking dies a slow death. Oh man, it's so dumb. It is so dumb. It was looking so good. And then it wasn't. And I'm still in it. And I'm not minimizing my losses here. What the frick am I doing here? All right, SISI starting to move nicely here. SISI back up. Good call out there, Ricardo. So I have a monitor here on the left that's got a bunch of charts on it. SISI is on there. The watch list is on there, amongst other things. All right, there we go. GLE just came back up a little bit there for me. Now I'm only down 39 bucks. Oh shit, 44. Damn it. But it doesn't matter. So what you're looking for here on SISI is you're looking for it to break through this wall. There is a wall right here. I just go ahead and put it there so you guys can see it. There's the wall. If it can break that, that would be beautiful for you guys if you're in it. For me, I'm not so much. Weird. Let's see what's going on with YouTube. Does anybody know what is going on with YouTube? I mean, not with YouTube, with TikTok. Jojo, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me right now? TikTok just went blank on my screen. I can't see a picture. Can you guys see a picture? So Jay, yes, 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 yes. You're back. Oh my God. What is going on with TikTok, man? Thank you guys. Appreciate you. That was weird. That was just pure weird. The screen went completely black. It froze, but back up. You froze for a second, but good now. Okay, cool. That's good. So weird. All right. So we're experiencing some malfunctions there with Tickety Talk. And this is why I think that it is good that we're building multiple platforms to be able to deal with this kind of BS. All right. So on the screen, you guys have Sissy, SISI, on the left side here, and then you have HTZ on the right. It was looking all right until it dropped below volume weighted average price. No longer looking great. What's up, Mel, on YouTube? Hi there. Easy Tweak, thank you for the heart. Appreciate you. All right, let's keep on looking here. What else do we have? RIME. What is up with RIME? Go ahead and check it out. Nothing. Just chilling at volume weighted average price. Looks like it did a double top and it's probably going to come back down. All right. I will be right back. Just people are watching on YouTube. Awesome. 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 It'd be cool if every single one of them said hello. That'd be great. All right. You got SISI starting to push on through here. 742, 743. Like I said, if it breaks this little line of 757, you've got new high coming in on SISI. Looking pretty good there. Volume's looking all right. SISI, the float is only 444,000 shares. The current volume is 4.83 million, so 10x the float. So that's awesome. And your average volume is 142,000 average 3-month volume. So that's freaking rad. Um, Careful, because it looks like it just did a double top here, right here. That's your double top. So be careful. It breaks volume weighted average price. Is probably going to come back down to 675. Man, I got allergies going today. It's always something. All right, I am going to be right back. I just got to go use the restroom. I said coffee break, but I'm going to go use the restroom. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Did I miss anything? Anything good? Any of my stocks coming back for me? Not yet. Okay. Well, that's all right. Let's get this coffee guy off the screen here. Pretty nice little coffee sign, huh? I know. You guys like it. All right, let's keep looking. So LASE popped up for some reason. We have Rocket, RCKT, MTEX. Let's take a look at MTEX. I'm curious what that one's doing. Yeah, be careful with, definitely be careful with SISI. That is that looks like a double top. MTEX. So here's MTEX, no volume. It's only done 3,000 volume. Average is 14,000. Free float's 859,000. For some reason it popped up and on my momentum scanner. Not sure why. Let's see what RCKT is. Oh yeah, I forgot to ask. Is the volume good? Is all that stuff good with you guys? Yo, what's up, Supra? Your account got hacked. Oh, that sucks. That sucks, man. Freaking, I hate hackers. They hacked my wife's Instagram account. All it is pictures of like family stuff. It's nothing. But they hacked her account and wanted her to give them crypto. I laughed at that. I was like, yeah, we'll just get you a new account. Only thing that sucks is all my kid photos are on there, and you know, God knows what those dick kids are doing. SBEV, yep, yep, uh-huh. Hey, look, see, double top. Look at that. 1, 2, and she broke volume weighted average price. Let's see. I said she's probably going to come back down to about 160. What did I say? 167, something like that. 168. We'll see if that happens. It is slow. The market's just been garbage recently. Open's taken a hit pretty hard too. OPEN. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Comments. I have to wait 20 days before I can change my name back. Oh, yeah. Pain in the ass. Pain in the ass. All right, guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go. Um, I'm getting pretty excited about this whole streaming thing. And, slowly, I hope my life's going to get back to normal with my uncle and just life in general. Kids back at school now, so I am at least getting to spend the night at my house, which is really cool. Looks different, military like. Yeah, man, this is what I'm going for. I'm going for sniper, scalper. That's what it's all about. We're here to snipe and scalp and make our money that way. Uh, Come on, STAI, you suck, man. I think I'm just gonna bail on that. I'm gonna take my $16 loss on STAI. I'm out. Whatever. Chop that one up to, well, freaking thing, you know? All right, so I'm out of that one. We're looking at RCKT. Currently, like I said, it's got great, oh, sorry, there we go. It's got a big float. 4.8 million high is the average for the volume on it. Um, Currently, it's done 1.53. It is above volume weighted average price. If it cracks this 348, I do believe we'll get up above, I think maybe 370 ish, maybe 367. Let's go with 367 RCKT, right, which is right about there. All right. Yeah, everything's very low. I love trading, but it can be a bit of a drag most of the time. Lamar, most of the time it's usually pretty good. The shit problem is right now it's like there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. That's what I feel is going on. August typically is a month for me. Um, it's doing pretty good so far. I've had a couple mental blocks where I screwed myself, but it is what it is. Live and learn. I might take my loss on GLE as well. Just this thing's just putzing around. Doesn't have volume at all. 425. It's like this is garbage now. So maybe on the next pop, I'll get out. Fuck it. Minimize those losses, maximize the profit, find something else to bury my beak in. Audio AUUD is holding. I gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, but if I look at my screen, I see more red than I do green. So that sucks. NVNO, Jesus, down 69.21%. Rocket top reversal. Yep. SISI. Okay, maybe not so much a double top, maybe more of a double bottom here. Maybe. So yeah, so NVNO, FDA rejected the device. That sucks. One to 200. Let's go 10. I know what you're doing, man. I know what you're doing. All right. Come on. Something go on here. There we go. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Come on, SISI. Break on through. It's above volume weighted average price. I love seeing that on SISI. That's cool. You got a beautiful W here for the win. Now all we got to do is see this thing break through that 757 and it can possibly fly like a 757. Or like an eagle? Am I in on any trades? Yes, currently I'm sticking it out with GLE. Currently down $44, $39. But I also have 1,500 shares at 84 bucks. So I missed my opportunity to scalp that and take about 200 bucks. Stepped away from my screen just for a little bit and came back and went, what the hell? And the volume completely took a shit. Typical. Penny stocks don't have volume. They typically take a shit. What's up, Vladimir? All right. So still looking for something that's possibly doing something SBEV. So you got Rocket here. Rocket's got a high float, but moving in the right direction. SBEV. Low float, low volume. Average volume is 106,000. Current volume's 42,000. Free float's 1.89 million. Yep, we looked at AUUD. Yep, AUUD does not look healthy right now. Looks like it's going to come back down. Just my opinions, below volume weighted average price. It's probably going to come back down to, first it'll stop at about this 279-ish, and maybe it'll come back down to 266. You can see the clear double top here. 1 and 2 and coming back down. AUUD. Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, what's starting to move? All right. Ah, let's see what happens here. On the left, you got SISI. On the right, you have AUUD. Currently, the only things that seem to be moving. There we go. 799. Beautiful. Look at that. SISI. This beautiful W pattern finally came through, broke out. Told you it was going to get a new high if it hit 757, and it did. There's your $8 on SISI. All right, what is the next target, you might ask? Well, let's see. Let's take a look at SISI here. Batman. All right. Wait, where was this? There's something close. I don't see anything. Is that its high? There we go. You've got a fair value gap at 838. So let's call that the next price target. 838 on 836. Sorry, 836 on SISI. That is your price target here. If it can break 836, you're probably going to see closer to that $9 there. Let's mark that there. So yeah, so about 924 is the second price target. Yeah, 924, 922. Let's go 922. 922 on SISI. That is your next price target after 836. And then after that, you've got about 957. And it's the next price target after that. All right, there you go. You got SISI all lined out for you. Let's get back into it. There we go. Here's SISI. Just hit 818. Remember, 836, 837. That is your price target. So let's see it hit first. Once it does that, we are good to go. Damn it, phone's in the way. All right. Push, push, push. Little shooting star there. Be careful. That's a shooting star. That says, boop, we're gonna go back down. Just be careful. Caution. I want to push this bullish button so badly right now. Come on, push on through, hit that 837. Start moving up. Finally, something with some volume. That usually feels pretty good. So the reason SISI is moving is because it's blockchain biotech tokenization. Nope. All right, we'll set that aside now. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yo, what's up, money man? Yep, I'm good. I'm good. A little bit of medical issues, but other than that, I'm good. Well, it didn't quite get to where I. Well, actually, no, it did. It did get to what I said first. So 282, AUUD came down to 282, and now it's testing volume weighted average price once again. Came off this double top. I still think if it can't break through a solid breakthrough on good volume, and it's got more downside. Debbie says DVLT. Currently not popping up on any scanner. See, DVLT. Oops. Okay, DVLT popping up. 50 cents. All right, looks like 57 cents is going to be the first target on DVLT. Currently at a resistance point at that 50 cents. Let's take a look at something else here. Second quarter business call update. That's what's going on there. It is a slow Wednesday. All right, so DVLT 5120, 5150. Is she gonna do it? After my first two little ones here, STAI and GLE, I am taking it super easy. I am looking for real good setup. GLE was a good setup early pre-market, and then it just fell apart. The volume completely took a shit. So what are you gonna do? DVLT, again, 57 is the first target, so we'll see if it gets that. It's a 69 million free float, 2.82 average volume, and currently it's at 3.59 volume, so that's good. You've got SISI trying to push through that 818, currently stuck at 8. If you guys haven't yet gone to YouTube to J-Rock stocks, if you could, that'd be amazing. If not, no big deal. I understand. AUD popping up again here. Let's see. So this is a 30-minute chart. Let's go back to, all right. So did a little bit of a inverted head and shoulder pattern. Got stuck where it should have gotten stuck, $3 naturally. It breaks $3 and possibly going to get back up to about 314. 1.1 million free float. You've got 885,000 average volume, and currently it's at 17 million. So it's good volume, moving nicely. What was the news? Oh yeah, something about business. Yeah, business model. Something rather there. Hey Daisy, hi there. Vladimir, hi. Thanks guys. Thank you for going over there and saying hello. Appreciate that. There is so much red. So much red. And all that red. There is so much red. Down here, you've got the market, which you guys can't see because I've got that stuff there, but look at all that red. Jeez. That's volume, current volume, active, top option. Don't care about that stuff. All right. Let's go back. Let's take a look here. I'm checking literally every scanner. DVLT, let's see. DVLT finally broke through 50. It's at 54. Hit 53.91, so almost 54. Remember, 57 was the first target there. Second target, 64. What is the low for cis? Well, it started off today at $4 and $4.95 there on SISI. So it's up quite a bit. Come on, breakthrough. Let's go. Hey, look at that. We're getting some hearts on YouTube. I appreciate that. Thank you for the likes. Come on, come on, come on. Rocket, DVLT. Let's see, is it doing something? Let's see. Oh, come on. Nope, not doing nothing. That ain't doing nothing. Refresh the damn scanners. RCKT, there you go. RCKT's starting to fluctuate here a little bit. That's a high float though. Remember, one 104 million free float. It's only done 2 million in trading so far. Its resistance is about 350. If it can break 350, he'll probably get up to that 367 on Rocket. Ouch. PRFX. Yeah, that one was a doozy. So, you know, God, if the day wasn't so busy with how the market's moving so fast right now, I'm just kidding. It's very slow. Everything's slow right now. Good morning, Barry. Um, Thank you for coming on YouTube. I appreciate you. Here, look. So this is PRFX yesterday. PRFX at open took a major dump, and that thing, this thing right here was actually, I mean, in my opinion, it was a bear trap. Because if you looked at the pattern, you got a big old cup and handle. This is a big old cup. This is a handle. And then it decided to tank at open, right? Dropped down to about 274. I was still in it. I had shares in it, and it's actually what saved my ass. So dropped down there, and I actually posted it on Weeble. I said, "Hey, that's a bear trap," and sure enough, just as I said it, it freaking took off to 359, sold me out about 347. And yeah, so that was, and then after that, it halted down, which this is what that is. This was a halt. Um, it's really hard. It's really hard on stocks like this that just kind of pump and dump and fake people out. That's just unfortunately that's just the way the market is right now. Um, the market's in a scared spot. It says it's neutral. It's bullshit. It's not neutral. Um, it's more of a fear thing, I think. But yeah, PRFX, if it does come back to anything, it'll probably get about that 277. Uh, yeah, hopefully 277 higher for you, Debbie. Yeah, it's a huge float on Rocket. Yes. Thoughts on NBY? Um, Currently below volume weighted average price, which is $1. Possibly bouncing off that 92. It looks like it did a did a W there. Needs to break through. Needs to get through about it's a buck. It's $1. The dollar. So you're not far off from it, but break $1 and it'll probably run back up to 106. If you can get through that, then you probably got yourself a new high for the day on NBY. Now Abu Adam, I know I know that some of these stocks are just pitiful right now. Um, that was a watch list stock, and yeah, it's not looking very hot right now. I need another coffee, man. When allergies get me, they get me. It sucks. Uh, Only me, 123. What causes or is the definition of a halt in a stock? Well, that's really easy. When a price changes about 5% in either direction, it causes a halt. Um, but that halt only happens in after hours, or I'm sorry, in open market, regular market. There are halts that happen during pre-market and after hours, but they're rare. I have been seeing them a lot more recently, which is weird, but that's what they are. You could always type that into Google, or you can ask your whatever AI program you're into as well. Let's see here. Let's see if this will explain it to you exactly. Let's do voice chat. In the definition of What is a halt?
A halt is a stop or pause in motion or progress. It can refer to stopping an activity or the
Stop.
process of ceasing.
Stop. What is the definition of a halt?
Is there
By
something
the
else you would like to know or discuss?
She likes to talk back. What is a halt in the definition of the SEC? She's thinking. Can you hear me? Hello. What is Nope, she can't hear me. She froze. What is a halt by definition of the SEC?
Feel free to ask anything or share what's on your mind. I'm here to help.
What is a halt? What? Oh my God. She's ridiculous right now. You're off. I just turned her off. I don't want to be mean to her because she's very nice, but you could also just type that in into Google. It'll tell you. Sissy doing what you want it to do. Is Sissy doing what I want it to do? Not at all. Nope, Sissy's not doing what I want it to do. But it did just take a nice little run, and it is coming back down to support. Now, if it holds that support at 757, then that's good. If it doesn't, then it's screwed and it's going the other direction. And crap, I just missed another opportunity to minimize my loss on GLE. Damn it. I gotta go get that coffee. All right. Oh man, come on. Damn this thing. No volume whatsoever. Ugh. Well, maybe when market opens. Let's see what happens there. Oh. All right, gonna go get a coffee real quick. You guys just chill out, relax. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Blah blah blah. Hey, buddy, hoo ha. Just real quick. Be right back. I don't have any elevator music for you guys or anything. Sorry. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Oh, sorry about the time away, but I am back, and we're gonna find some really good runners. That's what's gonna happen here. Because I'm sick and tired of this no runner crap. Let me turn that. Boom. Get that out of here. All right, we got GLE deciding to jump around like crazy because it's 5 a.m. So for a second there, I was positive. 85.21. You gotta love the morning 5 a.m. candles jumping around there. As you can see here, you're seeing it on the screen here with SISI. It is jumping around. Currently pushing 803, 804 right now. Volume is intense. Where's my little crosshairs? There we go. There's crosshairs there. Let's look at SISI here on this one real quick. So here's what it did. There. Look at all that volume. 2.3 million shares traded on this 1 minute candle. Guys, on this 1 minute candle. Okay, here, let's take a look at this one too. Here's GXAI, also getting pumped with volume at 5 a.m. 293,000 shares traded. Free float's low, 6.9 million. Current volume's almost a million. Average volume's 4.17. Let's see what Rocket looks like. RCKT. All right, still kind of messing around with that 367. All right, and we are slowly approaching that 837 here on this bad boy. SISI. What is AUUD looking at right now? Thank you, Abu Adam, for sharing the live. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys. And I will give you that exact definition here just in a minute. Let's see. AUD coming down. I told you guys that was a double top. No one believed me. And there it is. Boom. So there's your top, and kabow. Kaboom, kabow, how you like me now, kind of thing. All right. Anybody know why we can't buy GLE on Schwab? Well, you can. You can buy GLE on Charles Schwab. As long as it's after 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yeah, it won't let you. Before that, it won't let you. All right, there you go. There you have it. SISI got beat up again at 806, 807. Man, I'm telling you, I really cannot stand
That was
the damn
not
Bears.
nice
I
and
just
easy.
can't stand them. AUUD head and shoulders pattern. AUUD, yeah, more than that though. I really these type of days just drive me nuts. When they're super slow, you got to be super selective of which stocks you jump into. Because, I mean, as a momentum scanner, if there's no momentum, what's it really scanning? Currently we're looking at AUD taking a shit, And we're watching SISI coming down 765. Again, gonna approach that 757. We'll see if it uses it as a support again. Man, but it's actually a good thing that it's not letting you buy GLE because GLE is not really doing much of anything. The volume's gone. There is no volume. And they filed a S8 about a week ago, so that's probably what's going on there. There's SISI breaking through support. Support breaks, it becomes resistance. So now it's got to get above that support. Volume weighted average price is sitting at about 742 on SISI. Yeah, it's a very shady time of the market here. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit the like, the follow, and the share. Most importantly, that share. If you share the live, then that will show more people that I'm live. I am shadow banned, and I don't know how the hell to get out of it because let's just say my videos and stuff have not been getting the same views that they used to. So I think TikTok's upset at me for something, probably because I'm tired of them. So possible, very possible. Damn it, GLE. It's coming back down, more so. Right now I'm down 58 bucks. I wish I would have caught those 5 a.m. candles if I had just dropped my sell just above my buy, and I would have gotten out of there free and clear. We're currently down 51 bucks on that. Still holding. Again, I'm just waiting to see what happens with that one. Freaking coffee's still hot. Remember to follow the rules. Here are the rules. These are the rules. Follow them, learn them, and they're very simple for this time in the market here. Okay, easy. That's kind of what I've been sticking to, and it's been working. One loss will not define your entire day unless you went all in on that ticker. Right now, it is a game of who can basically survive in this type of market. Small losses. Um, like yesterday, I had 5 losses and 2 wins, and I was profitable. So, not saying much other than shit, bad entries or got greedy. There was a couple where I got greedy, so that was on me. Um, I mean, BI actually could have been a lot better for me. I got out a little late, got a little greedy. I thought I was going to go higher. I could have made 300 bucks on that one yesterday, which would have actually made me about $241 yesterday. But in general, I just made $41. So I'm looking around, guys. There's not a whole lot. SNGX looks like it's starting to move. SNGX. AUD broke down. So let's look at SNGX. Ooh, it went the wrong way. Why is this thing showing me it went up? All right. Interesting. SPAI jumping around pretty good here. SPAI 6.91 million free float, 208,000 shares traded so far, averages 136,000. A volume weighted average price is at 424. We don't buy stocks just because we see pretty green candles. We buy them on a retracement. This is a retracement. I would wait for the second one, if anything, to get in it. If you're getting in it. This is a 1 minute candle. I'm going to go ahead and check out and see where it can go, where it's been. All right, it's pushing up against its resistance right now. That 423 is the resistance. Ah, nice. Okay, cool. Let's keep on searching here. This is 30-minute chart. Looking for fair value gap and where it can go. Looks like, man, what is up with my charts? Come on now. You notice I don't have my little crosshairs for some reason. Let's see. Is this the reason? There we go. I got him back. Okay, cool. So 430, 435, probably 477. That's where I'd say it's going to go. It's going to go to about 477. If it can break that. Let's see. Where else? Where else? Where else? 477, 410. Okay, that's where it's at. Yep. Yep. About sorry about that one. Let's see. Yeah, I'd say about 477. 470, 477. If it can break that. Yeah, there it is. So that's what we call that one. That's a price target on this little guy here. 477. There we go. Let's see if it can get there. This is SPAI, currently at 410. Holding support, $4. Resistance is at 422. What is the news on this thing? Private placement, strategic investment. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, we are currently in on this one. We'll see if it wants to set up nicely here. We're going to go ahead and put our sell right under that 477 here. Let's see if, hey, there it is, 477. Create. I'm going to go ahead and sell, see if it can get there. If it does get there, I'll make about 110 bucks, 114, somewhere around there. It's a pretty good chance of it getting there. We'll see. So that news is 8 million private placement with strategic investment from drone industry leaders to boost AI growth. That was the news there. SPAI is the stock. So far, it's not going in the direction I was hoping, but we'll see where it goes. I'm down 20 bucks on it so far. What's up, Debbie? STAI, yes. SPAI. STAI is not doing so great. SPAI currently not doing so great. Currently at its support at $4. We'll see if it works out for me. Testically speaking, it should. All right. So let's see if we can get up to that 477. That is where I'm saying it's going to go. Supports $4. Let's put that there. So, well, technically 401, 402, but we all know it's $4. There we go, 415 again. Come on, break through that volume weighted average price and go for a little run. That's what we're looking for. We are looking for a little bit of a run. Oh, yes. Perfect temperature coffee. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, man, that's good. All right, let's close that. Get in here. All right. So 8 minutes ago, yep, there's that private placement. Let's see. So it's got a little bit of catalyst. We'll see if it amounts to anything. It is a low float. 6.991 million isn't a big float, so that's good. What are you watching? It's on the screen if you can see it. I'd love to know how the sound and everything's coming through for you guys. There we go. Abu Adam NBY just hit 106, so it came back up for you. So that's nice. Oh God, SPAI just took a shit on me here. Dropped down. It broke $4. That's all right. That's okay. Minimal, 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 minimal. What is going on here? Yep, good there. Come on, get back over 4. I know you're playing with my emotions. So 1 minute chart on SPAI. There you go. You guys can see that a little better. Come on, get back up. Get back over $4. There we go. 407, 408. Oh, man. Just playing with my emotions here. All right. Back to volume weighted average price at 417. Push on through that, and I think we'll have a new high. All right. NBY just hit the first target on the watch list. There we go. Hell yeah, let's go, baby. Hope you guys just made some money. Those of you that are on the watch list. Currently, the watch list has not been doing fantastic. I've unfortunately had a problem with it. Yeah, it'll get better. Just the market being the market. Damn, down $61. What in the hell is going on? SPAI, come on now. Yep, NBY is looking pretty decent. Let's see if we can get back to 115. $70. All right, it breaks this. I'm done. Fuck it. And volume took a shit. That's great. Come on, get up. Today is just one of them days, it seems like for me. I don't know. It's just been so damn tough, man. I'm in there with you, Jay. Yeah. It's been tough, man. The market's just been rough. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Something go, go, go. Go the opposite direction, not down, go up. Hmm. All right, pushing up against that $4 again on SPAI. DBGI starting to move a little bit. DFLI. Yeah, DFLI was uh yeah, it's tricky this morning. Yeah. Sorry, that was a different one I was thinking about. Was it DGLI I was thinking about? Yeah. Yeah, this one's yeah, it's the 32 cent one. It's the one that couldn't get over 32 cents, finally did a little bit, but there's just no volume currently. 5.57 million free float, and current volume is 1.83 million on a 33-cent stock. Averages 29.32 million shares traded, 3-month average. So that's not a whole lot yet. Um, yeah, I believe it was a watch the stock a couple days ago. Good God. I can't wait till I start feeling good again. Man, I miss feeling good. This shit sucks. Ugh, guys, don't get old. Don't get old. All your football injuries start coming back and yeah, and then all the stuff you had fun with as a kid starts kicking your ass. Yeah, turned 30 today. Easy Tweak, happy birthday, man. Come on, guys, put some fireballs in there for Easy Tweak for his birthday. That's awesome. 30 years old, man. 30. 30 what I think was it 30? Yeah, 30 was my best year. I loved 30. So technically, currently, I'm with SPAI and GLE. I'm currently down $100 for the day. Yep. Unfortunately, that shit does happen, and it happens to all of us that know what we're doing. Somehow we just get stuck. See how the volume took a shit? Look at this. Look at this. 542 shares traded there. You gotta be kidding me. 10,000 there. 21,000. Like, come on. Get up. Horrible. I'll be lucky to get out at freaking break even on this thing if it doesn't start pumping some volume here. Let's see how my status is here on for my price prediction on Weeble. Let's see. It's been a minute. I checked it yesterday. 74.54%. So it's pretty good. It's going up, so that's great. I'll be very happy when I get this to about 90% because I've not seen many people that have an accuracy of 90%. So that's my goal on here is to get this to 90%. And it's not just damn cherry picking. Oh, by the way, there's my there's my post 1 hour ago. Fuck off, Bears. Oh yeah, I don't like the Bears. The Bears can suck a big one. Oh, and if you are a bear, I'm sorry, you're in the wrong room. This room's bullish as fuck. Except for when we're getting our ass kicked by the Bears. Right now, we're currently getting our ass kicked by the Bears, or I am. How about you guys? I'm currently getting my ass kicked. I shouldn't say ass kicked. I'm losing $100. That's not an ass kicking. That's just a spanking. A little bit of a spank. I got a spank on my booty. It's football season. All right. 96 of you in here, 97 of you in here. Thanks for joining me. If you can, if you don't mind, go over to YouTube, jrockstocks.com or jrockstocks, same thing on YouTube. Say hi, do something like that. That'd be great. We'll just keep on going here. We'll just keep on looking for stuff. All right. Let's go back to the 2 chart. I'm looking. It's hard, guys. It is a tough morning. Just like yesterday, just like before. It's the same thing. Keep your positions small. Try to make sure you have a great setup going. And if it starts pulling away from where you want it to go, I'd say take the loss and cut your losses. SPAI, I'm thinking about that currently, if I should just take my loss on that. The volume petered out. And you all know that I'm all about that volume. Basically, what the company did, I believe, is they pumped into this, put out the news, got retail excited, and then dumped a bunch of shares into this at $4 a share. Now, they do have warrants at $6 a share. So let's see, it's SPAIW. So let's see. Pretty sure. No, that's SNGX. Why'd SNGX pop up? That was weird. Come on, get off this double bottom. Throw some volume in here. Turn that MACD green. Let's go. Let's turn this around. Man, it's going to be 6 a.m. I'm still going to have some powder, a lot of powder, because I haven't really been trading much because it's been freaking crap. There's $4. It's 5:30 currently. So $4 SPAI. Let's see if it wants to move. This volume crap. ECDA. What is ECDA? Let's take a look at that one. That is not it. 13-cent stock. Doesn't look that great. Again, maybe because they had some news. Okay, not very much, but maybe because of that. All right, so we have SPAI pushing that volume weighted average price again at 415. So it's moving up a little bit. I'm currently down $23, $27 on this SPAI. Price target was 477. That was before it took a complete crap on me here. This little double bottom here, volume crapped out. MACD starting to turn green. RSI's just hovering at 56, just barely above 50. Mm. Yo, what's up, Nellywood? Good morning. Yesterday was a doozy. Yeah, yesterday was tough. They're all tough right now. It's just, and you gotta have the exact, you gotta have the exact right entry. Like, you gotta be spot on, and you gotta play your risk and reward very, very tight. I do know people that made good money yesterday, but I also know people that lost a lot of money yesterday. And it's just the market. Same shit, different day. Never swim backwards. What's up? um, NBY doesn't look very healthy right now. It needs volume. It needs volume, just like I say on GLE, SPAI. SPI really trying to get back up to that volume weighted average price at 415. Um, yeah, NBY's looking weak. Volumes on a $1 stock, volume's a little low. Here's ECDA now above volume weighted average price on low volume. It's only at 571,000 shares traded so far on a float of 22 million. Average volume's 10 million on ECDA. They had their, I think, Q2 out. There we go. So 415, we got SPAI at 415, 414. If it breaks volume weighted average price, we got a good move. We should get about 447, and hopefully we'll get up to that 477. We'll see. I'm just chilling. Oh, chest hurts. Standard operating procedure for a Wednesday, looks like. All right, maybe this one's trying to do a little bit of inverted head and shoulder pattern. Maybe, possibly. I don't know. Let's see. How's the volume? ACTI's not changed yet. Man, oh man, what are we doing? Slow poke of a day. I haven't seen a lot of comments on YouTube. I'd appreciate you guys doing that for me. That'd be great. That would be great. Give you guys something to do. I know it's a slow day, so give you guys something to do, you know? I mean, come on. Oh boy, I'm beyond bored here. All right, come on, get up there. Looking at COCH here on the left side of the screen. If it breaks volume weighted average price, I believe it can get up to 185. It's currently 158. This MACD needs to start turning some colors here for me. A green color would be nice. Does that, then I think we can get there. Yeah, a little bit of a shooting star right here, so I'm not very positive about that volume weighted average price comment I just made. Doesn't look very promising at the moment. I see you there, Ross Codwell. I see you. Come on. SPAI, SPAI. Stay above $4. Get back up to volume weighted average price. Don't bump your head this time and just break on through. It is trying. It's trying to hold that $4. So that's cool. Come on. Come on. Get up. Push, push, push. It's 5:36 currently here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're on the we're just watching this shit work. Hopefully it's gonna work out. I've had what 2 cups of coffee, 3 cups of coffee already, and I'm still freaking sleepy. The medicine they got me on really tires me out. It's supposed to be relaxing. I don't need to relax. I trade stocks. I run on ether. Oh, come on, man. Let's go. Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Let's go. You're in Vegas too? Awesome. LMT Lawson. Cool. Yeah, here, let me, here, I'll do one of these for you guys. Look at that. Come on. Did it do it? Did it do the hearts? Let's see. Yeah, there you go. That's for you guys. I know. I know. I'm sweet. Oh, man. Come on. TIVC just needs to go. Here's TIVC. Just needs to go. There was its first pullback. It's on its second pullback here. The news. What's the news? Okay, this healthcare stuff. Where could it go, you might ask? Well, possibly for a good little run. 442 would be the price target there. 442. 442 would be the price target there. First one to get there is a rotten egg. I'm bored. I'll do maybe 200 shares. 200 shares there. Maybe. Let's see what it does. MACD coming back down. Is it gonna sustain? What is it doing? What is it doing? RSI is at 70. 78. That's a little high. It's holding volume weighted average price pretty good. Gonna get a decent little run real quick. Maybe. I'm not sold on it. Nope. Not gonna do it. Delete order. Not sold. Oh my god, this market's annoying. Ugh. Oh god. Ugh. You can't do this. It's just so boring. Let's see. Is it doing something? Kind of doing something. You got NBY pushing that 111, 112, trying to break through that 115 on okay volume. Actually, not bad. That last candle on a 1 minute candle was 800,000 shares. Looks like it's doing the 3 bar play. Yep, sure is. Come on, break through that 115 NBY. Let's put that over here. TIVC looks kind of eh. So here's NBY pushing that 115. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Want our second price target to hit on NBY. We are almost there. Good volume. 600, 2,000, 800,000. Yeah, that's good volume. That's what we want to see. That's the kind of volume we want. Come on, break through. Let's go. Go to that next price target. NBY. Go, go, go. Ah. Mike, you can change that, man. It's the month is tough, but you can change it. You can change it. Literally, I mean it's just a battle. You just got to minimize those losses. Take small losses, and when you see a runner, average out of it. But the most important part is to get that correct entry, which is, somewhere close to support, or if you're looking for breakout, right around that breakout. But you got to see that volume pump when you're going for that. Currently, I mean, I'm not saying that I'm nailing it right now. Today I'm not so far, but I've still got a lot of powder for when market opens because we need that volume. If we're momentum traders, if we're scalpers, you got to have that volume. Currently, there's no volume, so the fact that I'm in SPAI and GLE, it's just not. It doesn't look very good. It looks kind of like shit. Look, if it looks like shit, smells like shit, and tastes like shit, it's probably shit. I'm just kidding. I would never smell shit. Just kidding. What is going on with TikTok, man? TikTok is having some issues. Come on, market, wake up, right, Night Owl? It's funny how certain people, oh man, look at that. SPAI just blew up to 435. Currently positive there a little bit. I might drop that down just here. We're going to watch this real quick. If it wants to spike, I'm not pushing the sell button yet. But if it wants to spike back up above that, looks like that volume decided to pump in there for a minute. Now let's see if it wants to get up there. Maybe 447. I've got it at 432 because that's where it just hit. So we'll see what happens. That was out of nowhere. That little spike was out of nowhere. I appreciated that spike. It's 543 currently, so some shenanigans are going on. SPAI run, Captain George, right? So yeah, it's doable. You can still be profitable in this type of market. You just got to be careful. You got to minimize your risk. And by doing that, your share size isn't that huge, then you'll be okay. Debating, I'm debating. The way it's moving. Just cancel, and ours is right up here at 476. Thinking of just dropping it down. But then again, the way that this took off, it might actually get some volume because I know that showed up on a bunch of scanners. It did on mine. Hmm. But yeah, you gotta be very careful. Gotta make sure. Let's see, is TIVC moving again? There's TIVC. All right, there we go. Let's see if it gets that 428. I mean 440, 442. Jesus, I saw 4428. There's 410. Come on. Keep on pushing. So you see that big W there? There's a big W. It needs to break this neckline right here and go. Let's see if we can go from red to green today. We're almost green here. This one pops up and hits this, and I'll be up $100 or so. And then GLE gets some volume. I'll be up there as well. Come on, break on through, man. That volume 341, that's nothing. 4,000 there, 6,000 there, 25,000 there. So something happened. Come on. What's the order flow? Oh, this is TIVC. So let's do this. Let's keep an eye on SPAI. All right, nothing. Volume in, 51,000 out, 31,000. Okay. Hokely dokely. I just need something to wake me up. Oh, man. BSLK. What is she doing? All right, 811. Gotcha. BSLK 873 currently. Nice. BSLK has been fun to watch. All right, GLE almost got me in a profitable spot here. We're down $28 on GLE. We got a little bit of volume considering what it's been at. We got SPAI. Both of these can make me some good money. GLE decides to spike up and go up to like 98 cents. And then I make about $200 there. So, well, we're being very patient. Currently down $6 on GLE. So it's coming back slowly. Volume weighted average price is 86 on GLE. I'll go ahead and put that here just so you guys can see that I'm not blowing smoke up your stuff there. There it is. GLE moving very slow. No volume, no volume, no volume. Finally picked up a little bit of volume here towards, what is it? It's almost 6 a.m. So maybe it'll do something. Maybe it'll spike back up to $1. If it does, I've got my sell there at 98 cents. 98 cents is a price target that I put out there on this thing. So let's see if it wants to do something for me and make me some. There's some profit right there, $28. Come on, breakthrough volume weighted average price. Run up to that 98 cents. I'll be very happy with that. Currently, we're up $28 on this thing. We're down $17 on SPAI. You guys are watching this happen live, and there's no sugarcoating it. I've been as pretty open with you guys as I can be. That's pretty it. I've got the big share size. You do. Captain on what? Oh, capped on a SPAI. Okay. You got a big share size. Guys, I gotta say, just gotta say again, be careful. I've got the 1500 big share size on GLE, but it's also a 84-cent stock. So, just be cautious. Hey, it's your money. Use it when you need it. I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised that, I've asked multiple times for people to go over to YouTube. I see somebody throwing up happy faces and hearts and stuff there. I appreciate you guys. Night Owl and Daisy and Barry and Mel and Tan Master. I appreciate you guys being on there. Thank you so much. It is helping out. I've noticed that YouTube is doing a little bit better. Analytics are looking better. But the people that are in TikTok, I'm very surprised that more people haven't gone over there to say hello. Very surprised. It's okay. Sometimes I don't get what I want, which is okay. I won't cry about it too much. I am going to try, I keep saying this, but it did happen the other day. The other day I came on and did a afternoon live, so that was cool. And I did it on Discord. That's what I feel like I'm going to be doing. If I do an afternoon live, it'll be on Discord. And the reason is because those are subscribers. Those are people that subscribe to jrockstocks.com, the watch list blog. And, they deserve it. They're supporting me. I want to help support them, answer all the questions I can for them. So, yeah, there we go. All right. So, technically, right now, we're only down about 17 bucks. If GLE wants to go for a little tear, and all it needs to do is go up about 15 cents or so, I'll be solid there. And then SPAI, and I would love for it to hit that price target of 477. Might happen at market open, might not, might just crash, might cost me some money. The cool kids are on YouTube. Tan Master, thank you. That's funny. All right, let's see what else we got going on here. TIVC, what is TIVC doing? RCKT, what is it doing? Doesn't look like much. Doesn't look like much. All right, so SPAI just wanted to come down and touch support at $4. Still looking. Still, I've got a bunch of charts up. I'm looking, consistently looking, trying to see something that moves. Ooh, so ADD, they're doing a symbol change and a reverse split. Yep, yep, one for 25, reverse split. That is ADD. Come on, get up there. Oh, man, SPAI, you suck. Back down below $4, you turd. Ah, come on. This market. I swear to goodness. All right. NBY trying to get back up to 115. I am almost out of my coffee again. It sucks. Ah, oh, man. Cold coffee. Not great. Come on. All right. Let's take a look at TIVC right over here. Yeah. You know what? That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this down on SPAI. I'm going to take it down to about 32 cents, $4.32. That'll give me a couple pennies. It's not going to be much. It'll be about $30, roughly $24. All right. But the way that it's playing, I mean, technically we can say that it's kind of trading in a little bit of a channel here. So if you do that, whoopsies, wrong button. My bad. Let's try that again. Technically, it's trading in a channel, but it just broke down through it right there. This little guy that hit $3.94. Yep, 394. So there's that. That's the bottom trend line. And then this one here. So as you can see, it's kind of separating a little bit. Can this come back? Yes, it can. But is it gonna? I don't know. I might just want to take my small little profit when it does get there. Because I think it can retest about 432 again. Um, took a little jump there, but the share size, guys, the shares are so minuscule. It's like I don't know. It's very dicey to hold on to something like this. Like, should I just take my $19 loss and just call it a day with SPAI? Maybe. But I'm a risk taker, so we'll see what happens with it. Ooh, all right. So INBS, they just announced record monthly sales. INBS. Let's go over. Yeah, okay, I did change that. All right, so we're good there. INBS. Let's see. No volume. INBS. They just announced record monthly sales and nothing. It went up like 5.48%. That's about it. Alrighty. Let's see. How's TIVC doing? TIVC slowly moving up. We have not yet hit our price target of 442, but we did get 423. So slowly moving up. You got a nice little pattern working here. Looks like higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Keep on coming. Come on, come on, come on and touch me, baby. All right, more comments here. What is the new symbol on ADD, J-Rock? Let's see. What was that? Do 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 do. Change symbol change. What is it? What is it going to be? ADD. It's going to be ZNB. Oh, hey, look at that. We got GLE now profitable, 38 bucks, hit 88 cents. Guys, ADD is changing its ticker to ZNB. Zeta Nancy Bravo. Or Zebra Nancy Bravo, if you want to be correct. I don't know why I put quotation marks around that. Don't ask silly questions. Ah, come on. Market. Go GLE. Go, go, go all the way to the capital. What's that from? You guys don't know. I know you don't know. No problem, Sapporo. Anytime. TIVC, yeah, it's on the screen. TIVC is on the screen. Yep, TIVC is on the screen. And currently, GLE is testing 90 cents. It's at 85 currently. It hit 88 here. It did hit $1 in early pre-market. So we're just going to wait until it does something like that again. And I might be playing with this throughout the day. We'll see, because it is consistently holding on no volume, which is weird. But yeah, I don't know. I'm going to just pay attention to it. That's what I'm going to do. I haven't sold yet, and you guys see why I haven't sold yet, because now currently I'm profitable on it. And I'm going to keep being profitable because no red days, no red days. Don't do any red days. And if you do, keep them small. I've noticed and I've talked to so many traders that most traders will do great all week and then blow up their account on Friday. And I believe that's just a matter of emotions and ego and pride. You know, they'll think that, hey, yeah, I'm unstoppable, man. I'm kicking ass. I'm making the market my bitch. And then all of a sudden, Friday comes along and it says, ha, yeah, you know that money you made the past, let's say 4 days. Yeah, I'm gonna take some of that back. I'm gonna take a big chunk of it back. So you've got a nice green week going, and then all of a sudden you blow it up on Friday, and it becomes a red week. So with that being said, market is going to open in about 31 minutes. So I just want you guys to make sure you keep that in the back of your head. Keep your losses small. And when you have a runner, instead of pulling the whole thing out like you see me do, the reason I do that is because I'm talking to you guys. I'm reading your comments. I'm missing my own stocks. I'm missing them run, like I did when GLE hit 88 cents there. I saw it for a second, but then it went right back down. So now I'm up $16.82 on it. And again, there's 90 of you in TikTok, and I would love to see more of you guys in YouTube. YouTube currently we're at 704 subscribers. So it's very simple. You just go to YouTube and in the top search bar, you type in that J-Rock stocks, and guess what? It comes up. That's funny, huh? How that works. Oh, good morning. The love of my life just woke up. She's probably looking at me all weird right now. I don't know. I hardly ever say that stuff. So, all right, come on now. What's going on with SPAI? Let's see. SPAI. Oh man, we are almost there. Almost profitable there. Trading within that little channel. Above volume weighted average price currently. We are down just, oof, we were down $1. Now we're down $19. Come on, push on up. Let's go. GLE and SPAI. Let's go. Come on. Be the dynamic duo. And let's go ahead and turn this very small red day into a nice big green day. Yes. Let's go. All right. Comments have seized on both sides on TikTok and on YouTube. So I'm curious. You guys still there? Hello? Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? Are you there? All right, let's see. Growth, business update call. CYCU. Not sure. Okay, thank you, Thomas. Mike, thank you. You guys are there, present. Nice. Let's go. Let's get some profits here. Currently, I'm up $7.63, $8.38. Let's go. Mm. Oh, it is so hard on slow days like today to stay awake. Oof. All right, we got NBY pushing that 17 cents at 117. NBY just hit 117. Slowly moving 119. Here we go. Let's get that price target on NBY, NBY, NBY. Let's go. This is a watch list stock. It already hit its first price target. We're currently working on its second. And yeah, fan freaking tastic. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, get up there. Come on, baby. We're so close to that second price target on NBY. It is not even funny. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Right there. Come on. Man, 116. What is going on with TikTok? My screen just went black again. I don't know what is up. Still here. Thank you, Mel. Present. Come on. Come on, NBY. Get up there. Oh, it's toying with my emotions. There is a wall at 120, about 16,000 shares at 120. The ask is stacking up. So is the bid though. Come on, let's see it. Let's get that price target. For you that are subscribed to jrockstocks.com, you know what that price target is, and we were very close to it. So that is pretty cool. I always get excited when we get close to a price target, a second one, and then possibly the third one on a low price stock like NBY. Here we go. Here comes the next target. Come on, NBY. Let's go. Maybe I'll put it up there. Maybe that'll help. We're so close. So close. Right there it is. That is the second price target on NBY. We are waiting very patiently. I've got my hand on the button to go ahead and push that bullish AF button. Come on. Oh, man, the market opens in about 26 minutes. I would love, 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 love to capture some profit on GLE and SPAI. Here we go. Look at those bottom wicks. Come on, bulls. Keep on beating those bears up. Come on, get up there. Oh, man. They're just eating it up. The bears are eating it up. Come on, bulls, right here. Big green candle. No? Am I still holding SPAI? Yes, I am. I'm still holding it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Come on, get up there. I want to hit that button. Hmm. Man, it's freaking bugging me, man. 119, 122 is so close. Just give me that big green candle. You know you're gonna do it. I see you. I see you. Stop messing around with my emotions. Not only do I have to go to the restroom, but market's gonna be opening here in 25 minutes. I am super excited. The coffee is just coming right through me here. Nice. Okay, so this is a little doji here, off support, saying it's going to reverse trend. So let's see it do it. Come on, reverse trend. Let's go. All right, GLE currently at 86 cents, making about $35 on that one. SPAI 414. I'm down about $11 on that one. Here we go. Give me my big green candle, my big confirmation candle that you are going to continue to move in the upward direction. NBY, let's go. You guys got to talk to your stocks, by the way. If you don't, you're missing out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na. Got my finger on the that was easy button. We're going to make it. Oh, you know what? I know what I forgot. Then see this is what happens when you forget, you know?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are going to be making a move to the upside on GLE and technically on NBY as long as the winds permit it. So hopefully you guys have been hanging on. You've got your trays in an upright and locked position. Your seatbelts are fully fastened, and you're chewing on some popcorn or having a cocktail, whichever it may be. But again, this is your captain speaking, and we are going to be moving in the upward direction here shortly. Just watch the MACD down here, and as you can see, it's getting smaller and smaller, so that is not a good sign. But there are a lot of bulls fighting here, so they are trying to hold this up. It looks like the bids are stacking at about 1.8 all the way up to 113. There is a big wall, about 8,000 shares at 120 on NBY. So just keep that in your back pocket. The landing gear is not on. It's not down for SPAI because I believe that there could be a possible move to the upside here. And I've got the sell at 432 on SPAI. I've got, all right, 87 cents now on GLE. So we're doing it.
I just felt like I needed to do that. Do I play music anymore? I do not because I am doing live streams on YouTube and Facebook, and they frown upon that playing music that I unfortunately don't have the license to. And you know, I'm okay with that because thinking about it, I would hate for people on TikTok to use my picture and my videos just to scam people. So, yeah, I really, you know, I'm okay with not playing music and because I don't have license to it. If I did, that'd be a different story. All right, what else we got moving here? Looks like FLNT is starting to try to move on up here. Volume is still super low, so we need more volume there. SPAI 411 currently down about $27 there. GLE, I'm up $37 there. All right, let's see if NBY wants to bounce off of 110 and make its move to the upside. Oh boy, that coffee is literally gonna come out. I gotta go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on here that it's a, you know, that it's a coffee break. but it's a restroom break, so I'll be right back. Just give me 2 seconds. And yeah, hopefully you guys are having some fun. You know, I think the saying is rocking into the night, but it's morning. All right, hopefully when I come back, SPAI has sold for me and GLE has sold for me. That would be amazing. That would be like $300. You're right. All right, how we doing here? Slowly moving up on NBY and GLE. We're slowly moving down, but currently still holding up nicely at that 85 cents. So we'll see if it can go up from there. Let's go ahead and get back into it. There we go, 113, 114, NBY. Let's go 18 minutes. 18 minutes until market opens. Pardon me there. Nice, 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 nice. Let's go. All right. We're starting to get some movement here. Very nice. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's see what else we got moving here. Remember, ADD is doing a symbol change and they're doing a 25, a 1 for 25 reverse split. So just keep that in mind if you're wanting to play that. TRIB. Yes, Debbie. Yes. I do see it popping up on my scanner here a little bit, but it doesn't look very promising there. Ooh, come on, get up there. Man, oh man. It is trying. So right now there is a wall right there at 14, 114. We will just keep on looking here. The reason I'm watching these right now is because they are close. They're getting close. Obviously, I'm watching this one because I got a lot of shares of it, and I really, really don't want this to be a head and shoulders pattern. I really, really want this to break through volume weighted average price at 86 cents and then go for a little run up to that 98 cents, maybe even above $1. So we'll see. We'll see where it goes. NBY is doing all right. It's hanging on to that 110. Lorenzo, no, I'm not in NBY. If I was in it, you would see this little green thing here, or a red thing, depending on what my position's doing to me. um, Currently, I'm in SPAI and GLE. those are the two I'm in. And then I've got a bunch more, a lot more powder left to play during the day. So we'll see how that works out. All right. So because we are so close to market open, it's 6:15 currently here in Nevada, Las Vegas. I'm going to go ahead and do my little spiel here for jrockstocks.com just so you guys don't forget it. We're going to go ahead and do that here. Oh, I got that on. Haha. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. I'm not going anywhere yet, but I forgot that I left that open. Don't know where it is. Where to go? There it is. There it is, right there. There you go. All right, we're we're okay. We're alive. Doing well. So here is jrockstocks.com. All right, this is where you go to check out the stuff, become a member of JRock Stocks. That's free. If you don't know what it's all about, just read the reviews. There's 85 of them in there. If you want to learn some stuff, like what a candlestick is, what the psychology behind a candlestick is, what the rules are. There are rules. You got to follow the rules, or else you will blow your account out, and that is not advisable. Yeah, SPAI is not moving much. Yeah, I know. I see it. I'm watching it. It's hurting my feelings currently. I want it to get back above that volume weighted average price. It's created a little fair value gap, 412, 413. It'd be great if it just right above that. All right, so here you go. So the rules. Let's look at the rules real quick. There's only 7 of them. Know your platform, practice first trade last, start with small positions, don't buy so many shares that you start to freak out when it drops 1 penny. That creates emotion. Once you get emotional, then you start to lose because emotions will steer you in the wrong direction when you're playing with stocks. All right, so focus one trade at a time. You'll get screwed up. You'll look at one stock. You'll think you're selling that one stock or you're buying that one stock, and you're actually buying a different stock because you're on a different screen and you don't know it. So you got to know your platform and you got to trade one trade at a time as a beginner. Now, as you get older and older and older and you grow and you learn more about stocks, then you can do more. Like right now, I'm currently in 2 stocks and I'm watching both of them. Currently, I'm down $3 because one's 16.97 and the other one's 19.22. So, dang it. Anyways, so here you have the Learning Center. You've got good books that I think you should listen to or read, video lessons, which I will start adding more and more stuff to that now that my platform, my work area is somewhat complete here and at my uncle's house so that I can, do that. Strategies, read the strategies, guys. That's very important. Scanner setups, a lot of people ask. Well, there you go. There's some scanner setups in there for you. Helpful links, very important. If you don't have a broker that allows you to trade from pre-market open until after hours close, which means 1 a.m. in the morning until 5 p.m. at night, Pacific Standard Time, Webull is the broker that allows you to do that. It does for me. That's the platform that I'm using. That's what you guys are seeing. That's what you see me chart on. That is Webull. You have my referral link right there. If you want to use it, you get free shares. I get free shares. It works out. Know the float. It's good to know the float of a stock. Webull will show you the float if you go ahead and program that into your quotes. YOLO stocks, good to see what the people on Reddit are talking about. It does help. Obviously, they've steered the market several times in different directions. All right, stock grid, that's more dark pool stuff. Finviz, good for charting on TradingView as well. You can also set up your scanners on there. But it's great stuff, guys. Dilution tracker, lots of good information for free, doesn't cost you a thing. All right, so that's that. If you want to become a member, just go ahead and become a member. It's free. If you want to be a subscriber to the watchlist blog, which is right here, which yesterday's watchlist kind of sucked very badly. I am not proud of yesterday's watchlist at all whatsoever, not one bit. But there have been others that have kicked ass. Like on Friday, we got 6 out of 6 hit at least the minimum take profit on the watch list.
And there were a number of them that hit all take profits and exceeded the take profits by a lot. So this is what the watch list looks like. I'm going to show you the one from August 18th. This is what it looks like. You have your entry area, you have a stop, take profit 1, 2, and 3, and then some notes. Again, entry, stop, take profit 1, 2, and 3, and then some notes. And that's that. You have my disclaimer right here. It is all in here. All right. And this watch list comes out Monday through Friday. I'm sorry, Sunday through Thursday for the next day trading. So August 18th is it came out the day before August 18th, so August 17th. All right, guys, so that's what that looks like. Here's the pricing for that, $59.99 for the month. If you want to pay for the whole year, it's $569.90. You save 20%, you save $149.98. All right, that's that. jrockstocks.com. If you want to know a little bit about me, just read the about page. That's my kid, me, my wife, and my other kid. But yeah, there you go. All right, so let's get back into the trades here. See what they're doing. GLE, I'm up 1607. SPAI, I'm down $11.22. So they're kind of messing with me. Here you have, this is NBY. It was trading in a nice little channel until it started trading sideways. This consolidation. The problem with this is market's going to be opening up soon. And typically around like 625, market makers actually can get their greedy hands on the stocks. SPAI is pushing 418 right now, so we're going to switch to SPAI real quick. I don't even need to type that in. There's SPAI. Here's the double charts, so you can see that a little better. So technically, currently we are at down $3.22 on SPAI. I'm debating on moving this up from that 432 to 440, maybe 447, something like that. I do think it might go up. This is a bull pennant right here. So if you just draw your trend lines, there's one. And notice how quick I'm doing it. I'm not really even paying attention that much, but you can see what it's doing. Down, down, and it should break through. I think it'll at least get this 435. I think. That doesn't mean it's going to. Just because I think it is, it doesn't mean it's going to go to it. But most of the time, I'm pretty accurate. Again, I'll show you my predictions on Webull here. My stock predictions accuracy is 74.54%. That is pretty damn good if you think about it. And then the watch lists or last week's watch list, we got 21 tickers out of 30 that hit. So that's a 70% accuracy on there. So just so you know. Senior discount, LL? No, hell no. There's no trial period. There's no senior discounts. There's no funny guy discounts. There's no nothing. There is an asshole tax, but that gets I'm just kidding. There's no asshole tax. But hopefully, with the platform getting as nice as it's become, I know the sound quality is fantastic because, well, I did it, and the picture quality is probably pretty solid as well. I can't really see because I've got so many screens up right now and so many charts and things up. It's kind of crazy. Sup, brother? Feeling better? This is Scuba Steve. What's up, Scuba Steve? I am I'm feeling okay. Um, could be doing better, but it's okay. We'll see. We'll see what happens. It's just the heart. It's just the heart. Pump blood, whatever. All right. Market opens in 6 minutes, guys. Let's go. Come on, let's see some profit. Currently, GLE, I'm up $10 and I'm down $7 on SPAI. So currently I'm, up about $2.88. Oh, come on, market. Please do something good when you open because I want to see a lot of volume on a lot of stuff. This has just been boring. Remember, BINI is Mullen, so be cautious if you trade that. And ADD is doing a reverse split. Uh, it's doing it's giving you 25 shares for it's giving you 1 share for your 25 shares. There we go. I went backwards. I had ADD there. Not ADD. I had dyslexia there for a minute. Let's see. STAI gonna wake up today. I don't know. STAI, I don't know. It woke up and then it took a shit. LOL, Mullen. Yeah, right? Man, made a little profit on that yesterday. $127 or something like that. So not bad. You can always, yes, G-Wave vibes. Actually, Mullen vibes. G-Wave has nothing on Mullen. Mullen with their multiple splits and their, you can only do so many splits a year. But the NASDAQ allows you, because they can use their own discretion to grant companies the ability to be able to do another reverse split and another reverse split. Lost my ass all week. Scuba Steve. All right, man. You gotta start doing what I said. You gotta start taking small profits and smaller positions in a market that's as crazy it is right now. That's what I say. And actually, you know what I did notice? I noticed that Webull allows you to put a stop loss in pre-market. Currently, we are in pre-market. I think it starts around like 4 or 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It'll allow you to do a stop loss, which currently GLE is down. I'm down $21 on GLE, and I'm down $9 now on SPAI. Oh, it's on the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here as soon as market opens. So hopefully you guys have learned something today. I know it's been boring. I know I don't have control over the market, unfortunately. But hopefully we'll go ahead and I'm loaded in STI at 74 cents. All right. What is STI at right now? Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? There's STI right now. It is at 56 cents. So that's another thing we gotta talk about. Do not go all in on a stock. I mean, look at NBY right now. Market makers have control and they are pushing it down. It's down to 107, 108. That's what's going on. Currently, GLE is also being pushed down. It's down to 81 cents. And SPAI down to 409. So market makers are toying with it right now. They're playing with all of our emotions, and it's unfortunate. The market is rigged. It is a pain in the ass. But if you learn to scalp, you don't go all in on a stock. There is a stop loss there is a stop loss in pre-market. There is. Currently, we are in pre-market, yes? Oh, god dang. GLE is getting pushed down hard, 79 cents. Currently down $77. We'll see if I want it to take more of my money or not. But look, here, so we are currently in pre-market 629. I can go ahead and hit this, take profit up here, and then I can take this stop loss and put it way down here because I don't want it to trigger. But there you go. Look, I'm gonna place it there and I'm gonna confirm. Ah, so it only allows it on certain stocks because I was able to do that yesterday on a stock. I don't know why it won't let me do it on this one. Yesterday I was able to place a stop loss in pre-market. All right, guys, here we go. Market's about to open. Get ready. Get set and go. No. Take profits on the way up, not on the way down. Don't go chasing waterfalls or however that song goes. Just make sure you guys are keeping your risk management tight. The market sucks right now, so keep it tight. A lot of pump and dumps, a lot of shit going on in the market. So here we go. Market is now open. Let's see what GLE does. Let's see what SPAI do, and hopefully you guys make money. And I will let you know when I'm on again. All right, guys. Have a great day, and peace out. Enjoy. Thanks for hanging out with me. And here's this this little picture here. Is that on this one, or which one's that on? Is it this one? Oh no, it's on lessons. Duh. There you go. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate every single one of you. If you're hungry for more winning plays, smash that like, hit the subscribe, and share with someone who needs to stop bag holding. Okay? And start winning. jrockstocks.com, guys. jrockstocks.com. .com. All right, what was it? What did I say? 47, I think. All right, I'll do that right there. All right, guys. Peace out. Have a great